Welcome to BluePrintz TV. Today we're joining with Bartender X to show you how to whip up a delightful dark and stormy that will absolutely elevate your spirits. But before we immerse ourselves in the cocktail making process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful culinary adventures and tips. Feel free to try our Bartender X GPT located in the Chat GPT store for an enhanced experience. To make the perfect dark and stormy, you'll need dark rum, ginger beer, and a splash of lime juice. If you're on a budget, you can opt for a store brand dark rum and ginger beer, which will cost you around 20 bucks. For our vegetarian and vegan friends, you can use a ginger beer that is free from animal products and substitute the dark rum with a high-quality spiced rum for a similar flavor profile. Now let's get mixing. Start by filling a glass with ice, then pour in 2 ounces of dark rum, followed by 4 ounces of ginger beer and a splash of lime juice. Give it a gentle stir, and there you have it. A refreshing dark and stormy ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, a simple and budget-friendly recipe for a delightful dark and stormy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from BluePrintz TV.